Welcome back to another crypto video. We are back and it is the 1st of May and we have some extremely amazing news. I mean, look at this. Let's just jump into some key fundamentals, shall we? Because DeFi is blooming and booming. Check this out. DeFi is now a 100 billion sector. That is the decentralized finance sector, guys. So, you're looking at PancakeSwap, Uniswap, your automated market makers. These are pools that you can provide liquidity in, locking in value. This is the sector that we are talking about. Top 5 tokens. So Uniswap, Chainlink, Luna, Aave, and Pancake are the top 5 coins here on the CoinGecko list. And yeah, it's really making a nice reflection, as we can see in the performance of these coins. PancakeSwap is up significantly, Uniswap is doing fantastic as well, and I think DeFi is a really, really, really strong area for people if they want to, utilize these apps to earn yield. Let's also take a look at some other really, really interesting news. If we look at the total market capital, now this is the total market capital excluding Bitcoin. We know that Bitcoin market dominance is on the fall at the moment. It's kind of trading sideways, and this is what we've been hoping for. So we had the altcoins have a bit of a bleed out against Bitcoin very recently, but now we're on the rise. We've broken this resistance here, and we're back to a new all-time high with the total market cap being 1.083 trillion for altcoins. So I expect another kind of leg up over here, guys, like 1.2 trillion, 1.3 trillion. These are all very realistic targets, so it's time to just think about which altcoins are we going to invest in, which alts are we going to choose for this time being, because they're all going to rise at different levels. And so guys, the coin we're looking at today is Harmony One. And I really think this is a solid project. It looks fantastic. Their mission is really strong. Scaling Ethereum applications and cross-chain finance. We know that DeFi is huge, so platforms like this are going to be used more and more. These kind of dApps. As you can see, you can swap tokens just like on PancakeSwap and Uniswap, except they have an even quicker transaction finality of 2 seconds, which is super good, especially for transfers as well. We can see the market capital is very reasonable, very conservative, 1.8 billion. So it's not a huge market capital either. I really like the website. You can see that I've laid out their benefits over other platforms here. So this is quite an interesting one because it's very young, and it could be one that, in 5 to 10 years, it could be a potential 100x, just looking at where it is now compared to the future and compared to competitors. Yeah, it looks very good. I like the website. If we hop into the Twitter, we can see they've got 140,000 followers, and I really like this. Open consensus for 10 billion people. That makes me think that they're really thinking about the future, because we don't even have 10 billion people on the planet yet. So this is really nice. Twitter's strong, big community. Lots of people do know about it. Checking out Harmony in terms of its price over the year. In the bear market, it really wasn't doing anything. February, kind of all altcoins began to shine. We saw an impulse, corrected, we broke the resistance, and then we had some really big impulses. I'm not sure that was governed by whether it was some sort of fundamental, but yeah, we've seen a really big impulse. And if we go take a look at the charts for this coin, at that very impulse itself, if we look at our Fibonacci retracement, we literally consolidated at the golden level of 0.618, as we can see right here. So Fibonacci is a great tool if you want to measure the impulse, and then it's going to almost predict and estimate the retracement for you. And 0.61 is exactly where we saw the bounce. So we can see right here, we bounced up, we took a 50% increase, and then actually just yesterday I was looking at this and I saw that we were consolidating. We had a volume confirmation and a big breakout, and now we're kind of sitting in this bull pennant shape. If we look at the 30 minutes, we can see that we're producing lower highs, and the lows are kind of almost parallel, almost kind of straight, horizontal, but the lines are converging, so it makes me think that we're either going to break down or we're going to break up. But of course, if you are going to place a trade, wait for a real confirmation, a volume confirmation, because we do get fake outs here and there where we come out and we come back in. I personally think that this is going to lead us, this squeeze here, I think it's going to make us go to the resistance once again. I mean, we touched it a few times, this 15 cents line. Look how many times we touch it. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we touch it again, almost 5, that would be the 6th time. So I think when we do break through it, we're going to really see a nice push to the upside. What we need to do is just blast through it, completely blast through it, because the next resistance is going to be up here at 0.17 US dollars, and then the next is of course going to be the all-time high that we previously faced. So if we have a look here, I mean, if we were to play this really steady and slowly just trade sideways, it could even take us through to June before we do retest these all-time highs. But I think that we just need to produce a higher high from this resistance here, and then we can kind of look at trending up for another channel. So I don't have too much more to say about this. Just wait for the volume confirmation. I think that it's a very solid project, and I think with the market capital being just $1.8 billion, we could at least expect another 2 to 3 times. In May, I think by the end of May, maybe 3rd week of May, we will come up and we'll retest this, and I think it's very possible that we will break through up to the $30 cents kind of mark. If we have a look at our Fibonacci extension, I don't know if that will agree with what I'm saying. On the 1.618, we can see 0.37. So long-term, sort of very bullish scenarios, that's the price we could be looking for here. If we do break down, I'll probably accumulate some more because, like I say, this is a really strong opportunity. We didn't fall out of this trend line. We didn't go below our 0.61 on the Fibonacci. So it does look like a solid investment, and I think there is still a lot of upside potential. So keep your eyes on this one. It's certainly got very, very good utility. It's a good project, and it's one that you can just hold for a long time, and I believe personally that it's going to really grow over time and time again. So there it is. There's my Harmony one, guys. That's what I think. So my price for May is 30 cents. And I think if we do break through 30 cents, we're going to keep going up to maybe 35 cents in the most bullish scenario. Even my most bearish scenario, I don't think we're going to go really any lower than like where we are now, 12 cents. I don't think we're going to break below this line unless we see Bitcoin do something catastrophic. So this is really one that is young, and we could potentially see much bigger impulses yet to come. So there it is. That's my Harmony 1 video, guys. Please do give the video a thumbs up, do the thing of the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel if you want some more videos, and I'll be with you soon. Thank you. Peace.